Hello snack fiends, Yetti here, and today we're trying out a few fruit bars and opening a Kinder Joy. So we're trying a Veggie Goes, a That's It, and an Apricot Leather. I thought I'd try tasting them all. You know, if I decided I wanted a fruit snack, which one would I want? So let's start with the Stretch Island. 45 calories. Ingredients: apple puree, pear puree, apricot puree. Sounds yummy. Sounds yummy. So here we are. Movie over here behind the bunny. Looks like a leather. Apricot, chewy. A little sour. Not bad. You probably had something similar to it before. This one. Apple puree, spinach puree, strawberry puree, raspberry, blueberry, sweet potato. Very similar. Veggie Goes. So the other one was mainly apricot, lemon. Looks a little different. Compare them. Woo. Softer, not as chewy. Berry apple spinach. Not as sour. More flavor. I taste strawberry. A little bit of the spinach. So far, that one's the best. Not so great. And that's it. Oh, so apples and blueberries. Much thicker. Look at that. Oh, very soft. A little bit of apple first. A bit of sour, a bit of blueberry. Mostly apple. More filling. But taste-wise, not so much. I think this one is the tastiest. But they all kind of get the power across. So any fruit leather you get, you're probably going to enjoy. All right, let's open up a Kinder toy here. Okay, I'm not going to eat the candy, but, well, not in front of you guys, but I will play with the toy. Looks like, my hands are a little sticky from these fruits. Let's see the apricot one again while I'm doing this. Chewing the apricot. Yep, not that great. Oh, it's an egg decoration. So, 2 eggs around it, decorate it. Oh, well, it's an Easter thing, so it's supposed to be Easter. All right, snack fiends, Yetti out.